What's going on, y'all?
What's up, bro? Hey, man, I'm trying to get some work done, man. I'm trying to see what I can do with this right here.
What we doing?
The player made.
Oh, yeah,
man.
shit, player.
So let me see what I can do, man.
Yes,
I need
sir.
6 sets, bro.
6 sets?
Yeah, whatever color you can whip up.
I bet that. I got you.
All right.
All right, got the sets done. Finna serve them up. Here we go, bro.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Let me know.
Yeah. Hey, man, we dropping soon, man. Hey, come get y'all stuff done, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We'll hustle these heavy, baby.
Hold on, we got the shorts too.
Got the shorts on there, man.
For sure.
Oh my God.
Right on, bro. Fan Lab, man. All the way from St. Louis.
Yes, sir.